start. The first appellant and the first respondent were married as per the rights governing the marriage under the Muslim Personal Law on 2/4/1989. The appellant number 2 is the mother of the first appellant, and the appellant numbers 3 to 5 are the sisters. The first appellant allegedly divorced the first respondent, and intimation thereabout was communicated to her through a legal notice dated 3/5/2002. On or about 30th/10/2002, the respondent number 1 lodged a first information report in Women's Cell, Rajinder Nagar, New Delhi, against the appellants herein, which was registered as FIR number 224 of 2002, Police Station House, Kasi, Delhi, under sections 406, 498A, 34 IPC. The appellants, having come to learn about the lodging of the first information report, filed an application for grant of anticipatory bail. During the course of hearing of the said application, a settlement was arrived at inter alia at the instance of the learned judge hearing the said matter between the parties on or about 11/11/2002, pursuant whereto or in furtherance whereof the parties entered into a written agreement on 14/11/2002, by reason of an order dated 11/11/2002, the learned additional sessions judge directed. During the course of arguments, it is settled by the parties that a sum of rupees 2,75,000 would be paid by the petitioner to the complainant Nahid Begum in full and final settlement of Stridhan, dowry, meher, present, past, and future maintenance, etc. Out of that, rupees 2,25,000 would be paid on the next date of hearing by way of pay order in the name of complainant, and rupees 50,000 would be paid at the time of complainant on making a statement, and no objection for quashing the FIR, and the said pay order would be retained in court. The parties make the draft agreement to this effect to facilitate to both the parties for quashing of FIR. Pay order would be brought on the next date, adjourned for bringing pay order on 14/11/2002. Till then applicants be not arrested. The said agreement was filed before the court of the Additional Sessions Judge, Delhi. An affidavit in support of the said settlement was also affirmed by the first respondent herein, wherein inter alia it was stated, I undertake that I will cooperate in all respect and will participate in the proceedings for quashing the FIR against Muhammad Sameem Israt B, Sehnaz Begum, Farhat Begum, and Shehzad Begum, wide FIR number 224/2002, PS Hauj Kasi, under sections 498A, 406, 34 IPC, as I have received the said amount through bank drafts, and I have no objection in any manner. I have entered into the compromise with the said persons voluntarily with my own free will and consent, that I have executed an agreement with Muhammad Sameem, which is separately written with my consent, and I have understood the contents of the same through my counsel and have been read over to me in vernacular, and I admit the contents of the said agreement in all respect, and I accept the same as correct, that the contents of the agreement may be read as part and parcel of this affidavit, and the same are not being repeated here for the sake of brevity. In the said agreement, it was clearly stipulated that the first respondent received a sum of rupees 2,25,000 from the first appellant out of rupees 2,75,000, the details whereof had been specified therein. It was further averred. Stop.